Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras, featuring the Fujifilm X-T30 and the Canon EOS R10. Let's see, which one deserves a spot in your camera bag? Let's kick things off with price. The Fujifilm X-T30 is priced at $899, which many reviewers appreciate for being budget-friendly, especially for beginners. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R10 comes in at $1,379, a price point that some users justify due to its advanced features. Reviewers of the X-T30 often highlight its value for the quality it delivers, while those who opt for the R10 feel that the investment is worth it for professional-grade performance. Next up is image quality. The Fujifilm X-T30 features a 4th-generation X Trans-CMOS 4 sensor, which many users rave about for its ability to produce clear, stunning images. Reviewers emphasize the high-definition features that make it ideal for photography. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R10 boasts a 24.2 megapixels APS circa CMOS sensor, which users describe as delivering crisp, vibrant photos. Overall, both cameras receive high praise for their image quality, making it a tough choice for photography enthusiasts. Now, let's dive into autofocus. The X-T30 features lightning-fast autofocus at just 0.02 seconds, which has impressed many users who appreciate its responsiveness. Reviewers often mention how reliable it is, especially for capturing action shots. In contrast, the Canon EOS R10 comes with smart subject detection technology, which users find beneficial for maintaining focus on moving subjects. This feature is particularly loved by those photographing pets or sports, making it a solid choice for dynamic environments. Finally, let's discuss video capabilities. The Fujifilm X-T30 can shoot 4K video at 30 FPS, which reviewers have noted is perfect for capturing high-quality footage, including fun, slow-motion shots. The Canon EOS R10 also excels in video, offering ultra-high-definition capabilities thanks to its DIGIC image processor. Users appreciate the versatility of both cameras for video, so whether you're documenting your adventures or creating content, you can't go wrong with either option. Overall, the reviews for both the Fujifilm X-T30 and Canon EOS R10 reflect their strengths in different areas. The X-T30 is praised for its affordability, image quality, and compact design, making it a favorite among beginners and enthusiasts alike. In contrast, the Canon EOS R10 is celebrated for its advanced autofocus, superior image quality, and video capabilities, appealing to those looking for a professional edge. So which camera will you choose? The Fujifilm X-T30 for its affordability and impressive features, or the Canon EOS R10 for its premium performance? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, product links are in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Keep shooting and keep smiling.